Let's replace the cabin filter on your 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Start by emptying the glove box. Remove the two stoppers on both sides. Detach the dampener on the right side. Remove the two pins holding the hinge in place. Remove the cabin filter cover by pressing the tab on the left side. Slide out the old filter. Insert the new filter. Make sure to match airflow direction. Snap the cover back into place. Reinstall the glove box by aligning the hinge and inserting the pins. Reattach the dampener on the right. Twist the stoppers back in. And you're done. Thanks for watching.